Good evening, everyone. It is a Sunday evening. I did have an awesome church service today, and I am looking forward and excited to sharing with you just a couple of cards that I am working on right now. As we know, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and by now the stores are almost flooded with everything to do with Valentine's Day. So I thought I would just jump right in on the bandwagon and start to create some cards. So basically, I am going to go ahead and demonstrate those cards to you. I'm going to do two of the same cards, but just different colors and patterns, just to see how, everything turns out. Also, I have cut out some of the items already to have, kind of get further into the video without having to cut out too much stuff. But however, I did leave a couple of things to cut out so that we could actually, you could see exactly what I did. So again, once I have finished with this video, if you do like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. So without further ado, I'm just going to go through really quickly and show you what I have done so far. So I have gone ahead and cut out with my die cut here. It's a flower. I have forgotten the name, but it's a flower that, just with some layers. I did cut out the, the petals and, whatever I needed for that particular flower. I also used my heart die cut shape just to get a little heart cut out here. So I got two of those. I just basically stamped I love you on here, and I used the die cut to, get it out into a heart shape, since we're all about love and hearts. Then I did have a heart template that I used. I basically just had a heart template done with my Cricut Explore 1, and what I did was I used it to map out two hearts. And of course I use, as you can see, I have here, I have two different one with pink glitter part and one with, flowers. And then of course I had the whole red one. So basically it's just a whole red heart and two different pieces of different hearts. So in that way you can see, what the end product when I am done. I also did do a couple of the gatefold cards. I have this black one here, and what I plan to do is in the center I plan to go ahead and put red in here as well, with whatever sentiment that I plan to write out, so that I can that would be one card, for someone special. And of course for this one, I believe I will still also use a piece of red in here, cardstock paper with a sentiment, so it kind of just gives it a little extra color and a like extra flair. So with that said, I am also going to let you know I will be using my cuttlebug so I can get the leaves out for the flowers. And for this card here, that I haven't actually done out the flowers because I wanted you to see how I did the first set anyways, and in that way you have a better knowledge. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be going ahead through the video, cutting up the flowers and the leaves that I have, and I will be basically silent. So I am just going to be demonstrating right now as to what I will be doing. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to set those aside and I'm going to go ahead and get my leaves. So happy viewing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. And here is the ideas that I do have for you. And I shall see you again next week. Bye bye.